Nami has announced their public testnet, and it allows people to actually test the platform and get some rewards for doing it. This is an incentivized testnet. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to partake of this. If you read through the Medium article, the key thing that they are requesting people to do, this section that says reward for testers, it's says that you can earn an exclusive NFT during this testnet phase once you partake of the testnet, and then the first wave of time limited rewards are already live, with more phases of it coming going to happen soon. Now on their website you can find the latest challenges from that article. This is the Nami Testnet incentive program, and then when you participate you get exclusive time limited reward for early adopters. Now these are the tasks to do when you get to their website. The first thing is deposit testnet Ethereum into Nami 3.0. so they want you to interact with their contract. So what do? You get testnet Ethereum, which is Goerli testnet, and deposit into their contract. So you can use the bridge or interact with the smart contracts directly. So you can use their Nami bridge. So the second challenge is when you've deposited Ethereum into their Nami's contract, try to transfer it to another MetaMask wallet. That is it. Make your first transfer, because what Nami is a layer 2 scaling solution on Ethereum, just like Arbitrum, Optimism, and all that. So what they want you to do is deposit into their contract, that is deposit from layer 1 into layer 2, and then interact in the layer 2. So what you basically have to do here is deposit testnet Ethereum through the Nami bridge or using their smart contracts directly, and then you now transfer. Once it's in that layer 2, you can then transfer it to another person using a second MetaMask wallet. So that's make your first transfer. And then the third challenge here is for you to withdraw the testnet Ethereum you've already deposited into layer 2. So you simply use the bridge or the smart contracts again to withdraw the testnet Ethereum from Nami layer 2 back into your layer 1. So what you're using here is test Ethereum, which is Goerli testnet. I'm going to show you how you can get that. So more tasks are coming up. As you can see, this is coming soon. Make a trade on NFI. NFI is their DEX. It's coming up soon. Then add liquidity. All this is testnet, right? Then there are more things you can do here. You can mint some tokens. These are the ones that are also available. You can mint some tokens, deploy or find a standard ERC20 contract on Nami testnet, and mint some tokens. So if you're a developer, you can mint some tokens on this layer 2. Then they said bond some tokens. You can do this if you're a developer, and your first need 3 NFT. Deploy or find an ERC smart 721 contract and use it to mint your NFT. So you can do all these. These are the testnet things you can do, and then transfer your NFTs. After minting your NFT, you can transfer it using their layer 2 to earn your next reward. So these are the things that you can basically do on this testnet. So let's dive right into it so that you can learn how to do this. So to do this testnet, you need 3 things. 1, you need a MetaMask wallet or Trust wallet. MetaMask or Trust wallet can go. Basically any wallet that allows you to add a custom token network, because Nami has to be added as a custom network. This is a testnet. This is a layer 2 solution, just the same way you added Arbitrum, Optimism, and all that to your wallet. This is the same way you're going to add Nami with your RPC. And then you need to also add Goerli testnet so that you can actually see the tokens being transferred from layer 1 to layer 2. So 1, you need a wallet address, and 2, you need Goerli test Ethereum, because as you can see, what they need you to do is deposit into their layer 2 using your Ethereum. So the Ethereum, you can get it from Goerli for set sites. So there's a for set site I'm going to show you that is created by Alchemy that allows you to get that. So let's dive right into it. I put up some details here that you can read to get what to do. So to reiterate what I said earlier, how to perform the Nami tasks, the Nami testnet task. This is basically what you have to do. First, you get some Goerli Ethereum. So there's a faucet that allows you to get 0.1 Goerli Ethereum, I think. Each time you go to the faucet, every day, it's not each time, every day you go to the faucet, you get 0.1 Goerli Ethereum. So you just go to this site, goerlifaucet.com, this site here, goerliforset.com. So once you go there, you can get that. So once you've gotten your Goerli for set, next thing to do is once you've gotten your Goerli Ethereum, next things to do is head to the Nami bridge. Head to the Nami bridge. Then you move your tokens from the normal Goerli Ethereum layer 1 then into the Nami bridge, using the Nami bridge, moving it into the Nami layer 2. Then so that's what you basically have to do. So when you get to the Nami bridge, what you just have to do is connect your wallet the same way you connect your wallet, then switch the network to Goerli, because you're trying to transfer from Goerli into Nami, right? So on Goerli is where your network has to be connected. So switch to Goerli, then bridge any amount of Goerli you have. So if you have 0.1, 1 Ethereum, 2 Ethereum, you can bridge any amount to Nami 3.0. Once you've bridged, you can then transfer it to another wallet, and then from that wallet you can withdraw it back. You understand? So you can then withdraw half of the Nami back to Goerli, or withdraw everything if you so please. So what you are basically doing here is bridging from layer 1 into layer 2 and bringing from layer 2 back to layer 1. So that is basically how to perform the testnet. Of course, to perform all these, like I mentioned earlier, you need to have Goerli and Nami testnet in your wallet added, so that you can be able to see the tokens, because by default you don't have Goerli and Nami added, or except you activate them. So to add this is just the same way you add custom token in your MetaMask or in your Trust wallet. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to be making use of my Trust wallet to show you guys that it's possible to do it on Trust wallet. If you're using MetaMask, it's pretty much the same thing. So adding a custom token to MetaMask is literally the same thing, but I know many people don't know how to do it on Trust wallet. So I'm going to use my Trust wallet for this. So as you can see, these are the network details you have to add for Nami testnet. You just go to your MetaMask custom RPC section and add network. So you add Nami testnet, which is the name, currency symbol is Ethereum, this is the RPC URL, Explorer URL, and ChainID. For Goerli, this is the same. So let's jump right into it and get it done. So once in your Trust wallet, first thing you're trying to do, same applies to MetaMask. First thing you're trying to do is to add the custom networks, right? So let's do that. At the top right, you see that thing that looks like a filter icon. Click on it. So once you click on it, what you're trying to do in essence is basically add a custom token or a custom network. So click on the plus sign to avoid wasting too much time. The plus sign at the top right, you tap on it. So you are seeing this tab that says token, and the other tab says network. We are not trying to add a token, we are trying to add a network. So you now click on network. The network is an EVM. The place that says switch network, it should be on EVM. So under name, you basically go to your notepad and copy out the details. So first we want to add the details for Nami test network. So click copy the name for Nami. So the name is Nami testnet. We paste it there. Then we go to currency symbol is Ethereum. Put the currency symbol there. That's it. Next is the RPC URL, which you can just copy. This is also in the Medium article. So go here, copy this, and then visit your Trust wallet or MetaMask, the node URL section, and paste it there. RPC URL is the same as node URL. Then next is the Explorer URL, which is optional. Copy that Explorer URL and then paste it there, and you're good to go. So this is how to add the Nami testnet network to your Trust wallet. This is the same thing that you see on MetaMask. You click on save and it's going to add it. So I've already added it, so that's why it says chain already exists. The same vein, this is the same way to add your Goerli to MetaMask or Trust wallets. So you can just click the plus sign, go to network, and then you still add these details. These are the details for Goerli. So for name, you input Goerli testnet, currency symbol Ethereum, RPC URL, you input this from Anchor, and then Explorer URL, you input this. So that's basically it. Once you do this, you're going to have your Goerli and your Goerli and Nami testnet showing up. So if you actually go here, I've already added this. This is why if you scroll down to this very section, this is Ethereum. This is my test Ethereum on Goerli. This is my testnet Ethereum on Goerli. I had about 2.1 Ethereum on Goerli here. I've already interacted with the contract, but I just want to show you guys how it's done. So first step is what? Adding the networks. So you have done that and you are good to go. So let's go back to our instruction guide and you are good to go. So first step, you have done that, which is adding the networks. Go to Faucet and get Goerli Ethereum. I've already done that myself, but of course let me show you how it's done. So you just go to this site. Goerlifaucet.com is the website. Goerli Faucet. So a faucet is a place where you get tokens for free. So it's going to check if this if it's good for you to visit, and then this is it. So you must have an Alchemy account for you to get Faucet from this site. So you just create an Alchemy account and then you log in, so you now have access. So what you just basically need to do is drop your wallet address, then you'll be sent some Goerli. You are going to receive 0.1 Goerli Ethereum. So you just go to your Trust wallet, copy your wallet address, and then come here, paste, and click Send Me Ethereum. I don't think mine will work as I've just claimed some hours ago. You can get 0.1 Ethereum every 24 hours. Let's try and see. So you do the captcha and then you click on Send Me Ethereum. So you can see it says we only send 0.1 Goerli Ethereum every 24 hours. So I've gotten that and I don't really need Goerli right now. So that's step one. Step one is adding the RPC. Step two is getting Goerli Ethereum. So if you get Goerli Ethereum, it's not going to show up because you've added the RPC. So it's going to show up in your wallet, just like mine is showing that I have 0.5 Goerli Ethereum right now. So after adding the Goerli Ethereum, what you now do is you are now good to ride. So you now start the first step, which is going to the bridge to bridge. So you go to this bridge, copy it. It's also in the Medium article. Go to the browser section. I'm actually using my Android as the iOS version doesn't have the browser section in it. So once you go to Nami Bridge, Testnet, you connect your wallet and then you proceed from there to bridge from layer 1 into layer 2. So once you go here, you click on connect your wallet, and then they say, you can see at the top right of my screen, what is there is main Ethereum mainnet. That is Ethereum mainnet. So it's saying that this network is unsupported because what they expect of this is the testnet. So they say switch to one of the supported networks that works. So it's only these two that can work. So you click on Goerli testnet. Since I've already added Goerli testnet, it connects automatically. If I should tap my network, you're going to see where it's connected. So it's connected to Nami, or you can actually switch to Goerli depending on what you are trying to do at that moment. So let's see. Deposit. You have the option to deposit and you have the option to withdraw. So what you're trying to do right now is to deposit, right? You want to deposit into Nami's testnet. So enter the amount of Ethereum. You can see my balance is 0.59 Ethereum. I've already deposited, and you can see my balance under Nami testnet, under the part that says from Goerli testnet to Nami public testnet. You can see my balance under Nami public testnet is 1.50 Ethereum. But let's try to deposit and show you how it's done. So imagine I'm trying to deposit Ethereum from Goerli to Nami public testnet. Let's say I want to deposit 0.1, which is what you got, or maybe 0.01. You now click deposit. When you click deposit, it's going to initiate a smart contract code that is trying to move your tokens from layer 1 into layer 2. So you click on approve, grants it access, and then it's going to say please wait until the deposit is finalized. It's going to deposit from Goerli to Nami right now, and after a few seconds you're going to see you can see deposit of Ethereum is complete. Click here for more details. So as you can see, my balance has now decreased. On the Goerli side, I had 0.5 right earlier, but I sent in some money, so that's deposit. It has gone through. So the same thing applies to withdraw. So what you just have to do is deposit from Goerli testnet to Nami, and then click on withdraw as well, and then you can then withdraw back what you So let's try the withdraw. Let me withdraw 0.4 Ethereum from Nami back to Goerli. So click on withdraw, and it's going to initiate a smart contract call that is trying to withdraw back from layer 2 to layer 1. Click on approve, and then there we have it. Let's wait for the transaction to confirm, and immediately it's going to be sent to my wallet. So that's pretty much what you do. So when you go there, connect your wallet, switch the network to Goerli, bridge any amount, and then withdraw it back. That's basically what you do. So if you go back to the Medium article, you can see more details on what you are expected to do, how to perform the Nami public testnet. It's pretty much a very basic and simple step. I think they're going to add more tasks as the days go by, so make sure to check it out. And so that's pretty much how to perform the Nami testnet. It's very basic and very simple. Make sure to do this and share so that more people are aware of how to perform this. If you liked this video and if you got value, make sure to share this video to somebody else. Make sure that everybody participate and get to make money from this incentivized testnet. And I mean, it's going to be big, and I want everybody to be part of it. Do have a great day ahead.